How to fix TikTok favorite sounds not showing. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix TikTok sounds not showing. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and go to your profile. Here, tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. You will see the option for settings and privacy. Tap on that and now scroll down and tap on the log out button and log yourself out of TikTok and wait for a while and log in again. And see if that fixes the issue. If not, go ahead and clear the cache in the TikTok application. To clear, launch the settings application on your device. Now tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and find the TikTok application and tap on it. Now, tap on the offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Doing this will also free up storage used by the app and will further fix the bugs in the application. And if the app is still not fixed, then delete the app and reinstall the app again. To delete, go to your home screen and tap hold on the TikTok application. You will see the remove app option. Tap on that and then tap on the delete app option. In the pop-up that appears, tap on delete again and then go ahead and open your app store and tap on the search bar there and search for TikTok application and reinstall the application again, and your TikTok issue should have been fixed by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.